This is the experimental setup of how our product actually works. So we are using the Venn array method there, which is basically the resistivity calculation method. And there we have 4 electrodes. The N2 electrodes are current electrodes, and the between 2 electrodes are the potential electrodes. So basically, one electrode is connected with the positive terminal of the battery, and the other one is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. These 4 electrodes are interconnected by wire in series, and these 2 electrodes, the potential electrodes, are connected with a main box, that is Boozel Nirdharak, that will interpret the data coming from the ground. Basically, Venn array gives us readings in V shape of 1 point, and in one line we have to take the readings upon up to 5 to 6 points, and we will draw a graph there which will tell you about the resistivity of the ground, and on that basis we will assume what material can be beneath the ground.
So this is our working project model of Schlumberger array. So this is how it works. So in this array, first the distance between the potential electrodes is A, and the distance between the current and potential electrodes is 2A. So twice of it. And this method is efficient in finding out the resistivity of the vertical layers of Earth, whereas the Venn array is efficient in finding out about the horizontal range. And we will merge the data of the line graphs, which will be produced by both of these methods, so that we can reach 90% accuracy. So we have compared our data with the data of the device of the Jammu University, which was of 60 lakhs, and the accuracy of that device was 99%, whereas we can reach 90% accuracy in just 30,000 rupees.